Hi, my name is Saziye Dickson. I'm the project manager of World Air Conditioning Study, which has been running for 20 years and recognized as the leading source of information globally. The study covers DX products such as windows and portables, single splits, multi-splits and VRF, indoor packaged, rooftops, chillers and airside products. The study covers 30 biggest countries globally. And the research is based on mainly on primary research and desk research. Primary research is obtained through face-to-face and telephone interviews with the major suppliers of air conditioning companies. And the report comes in two formats, Excel and PowerPoint, and looks at the current year trends and also 5-year forecast by volume and by value. Types of companies that will benefit from this study: manufacturers and suppliers of air conditioning companies, components, controls and related service providers, and at local, regional and headquarter levels.